Are clip-on veneers the shortcut to a perfect smile or just another internet gimmick? That's exactly what I wanted to find out when I came across Veenora Clip-on Veneers. They promise a flawless, natural-looking smile without ever stepping into a dentist's office. No painful procedures, no drilling, just clip them on and transform your look instantly. The concept is tempting, especially for anyone looking to boost their confidence without breaking the bank. But when I looked into Veenora's claims, things didn't add up. First red flag? Their website was only registered in April 2025. That's extremely recent for a brand claiming to have made thousands of sales and changed countless lives. Next, there's no presence on major retail sites like Amazon, Walmart, or even eBay, places where real customers usually leave reviews and product feedback. That makes it nearly impossible to verify how many people have actually used the product or whether it even works. Digging further, I found that some of their before and after photos appear to be lifted from other parts of the internet, not original, not authentic. The company's social proof also seems overblown. They talk big numbers, but those claims don't match up with their short online history. When I checked Trustpilot, I found only 11 reviews. Just 11. For a supposedly booming business, that's very suspicious. The feedback was mixed. Some people complained about poor fit, others said they couldn't even get their money back. There were reports of uncomfortable wear, unrealistic appearance, and a complicated return process that left buyers frustrated. So is Veenora a total scam? Not exactly. But is it the revolutionary solution it claims to be? Definitely not. If you're considering it, proceed with caution. This isn't a glowing review or a complete takedown, it's an honest look at a product that might not deliver on its bold promises.